ready to wrap your designs in warmth. Today, we're crafting a cozy plaid flannel pattern in Adobe Illustrator. First, create a new document in Illustrator using a square artboard for easy pattern creation. Grab the rectangle tool and draw a square. This will be the base color of your flannel. Choose a warm, inviting color for the fill. Now, let's add the plaid lines. Draw several thin rectangles horizontally across your base square. Vary the widths and colors to mimic the look of woven threads. Use darker and lighter shades of your base color, or introduce a contrasting color for visual interest. Repeat the process, but this time, draw vertical rectangles. Make sure they intersect with your horizontal lines, creating that classic plaid grid. Experiment with different colors and thicknesses for a unique design. Select all the elements of your design. Go to Object, Pattern. Make this turns your design into a repeatable pattern swatch. In the Pattern Options panel, adjust the tile type to brick by row or brick by column to stagger the pattern and create a more organic look. Play with the width and height settings to adjust the spacing between the tiles. Now, draw any shape you like and fill it with your new plaid pattern. Scale the pattern within the shape by going to Object, Transform, Scale. Uncheck Transform Objects and only transform the patterns. To add a touch of realism, consider adding a subtle texture overlay. You can find free textures online or create your own using the grain effect. Under Effect, Texture, Grain. Adjust the intensity and contrast for a soft, fabric-like feel. Now you know how to make a plaid flannel pattern. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more design tutorials.